Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Aus Palangi Show. On a beautiful Wednesday morning.
Yes.
We say to all our friends tuning from overseas, wherever you are tuning from this morning, to all the fishermen.
Yes.
And we say as well to all the drivers who are on the roads. Maybe going to work this morning. To all the bus drivers and the minivan drivers. Welcome to VTFM.
To everyone. The day of the Fiji secondary school
Fiji
Fiji year 13 examination this morning.
Good morning.
First paper is what?
First paper is English.
Office technology. No, this morning.
Oh, this morning.
Yeah. First
Office
paper
technology. In the afternoon, science student will be
biology.
There. It's
Yes.
biology.
Oh, okay.
You took biology, eh?
Myself, biology, chemistry, and agriculture science.
Right.
During the examination that time, thankful to all the teachers.
Yeah.
Some the teachers now,
Yeah.
the
Yes.
subject teachers, because they will have their goal too.
Yes.
Yeah,
I want my student here to
Yes.
be 100% pass.
True,
Right.
true.
I will teach them everything
Yes.
so
Yes.
that they can overcome because they have their own aim too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some teachers, they will be doing this because I want to stay here. I love my student.
True.
Yeah.
I love my parents. I love their parents. I love all my school.
Yes.
Yes.
Because this is part of my life, teaching in this school.
Because the results too will reflect the teaching, eh?
Okay.
Yes. So if a teacher scored, if teacher is able to
Yeah.
have 100% pass in his or her class,
Yeah.
then the teacher will be very happy.
Dila
eh?
Sara,
He
Dila
or
Sara.
she will know that
Yeah.
she's doing a good job.
Right.
Yes.
To brother Joki Ray Kambula, all the way from Dava, UK.
Yeah.
Doba.
Yeah.
Doba. Doba, UK.
Spelling.
Ako sa wala to ni kira Dava.
Yeah, we should talk about that.
Joki Ray Kambula, mula binaka brother.
Yeah.
I love. John Kumar, mula binaka.
Pula na ka para rebelli.
Ito nga ni Valo LM69 mula binaka.
Right.
Binawali usara sa mabuli may thank you to everyone.
Yeah.
Yes.
For being part of this morning. Today, it's a Wednesday.
Once again to all the year 13 students who will be sitting for the two papers today. All the best students,
Yes.
and to all the
Parents.
who will be supporting you at the
Yes.
gate or somewhere at school. And singa binak di kuwa. Baka kinabira na dobing karabian na puno ni Pitarungi.
Iya, hindi na. Supervisors.
Supervisors.
Yes.
Iyo.
Bakatalangkin na students, especially when you have exams in the afternoon.
Iya.
At 2 to 5 o'clock.
Iya.
No heavy lunch. Parents, don't give them heavy lunch.
Oh, okay.
Because 3 hours and there's silence in the classroom.
Yeah.
The wind is blowing.
Yeah.
They can sleep.
Di na Sara.
Yes.
Di
Eh?
na Sara.
Iyo.
They can sleep.
Sara kalibaya do
Iyo.
baka
Sandwich, iyo. Sandwich nga, may mamanda, lesen na kabi, and then you
bang.
feed them well.
Don't know
Yes,
about that.
roast chicken,
Woo,
or barbecue,
hey.
or whatever
Yeah.
is there.
This
Feed
one
the
ducks from school.
Okay.
From
John Kumar.
No. Name Tem Sarabay.
Right.
Yeah.
He's from Natupatay Bungalay Telebu.
Oh,
He's
okay.
joining this morning. He's a ducks of his school.
Okay.
He's schooling in one school in Nitasiri.
Right.
From there, Tamay Nina and Tinay Nina Mbulabinaka.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Yeah.
And also to Sabina Combo. And also,
Yes.
250th anniversary of the wardens.
Okay. 150th, eh?
Yeah, 150th for the anniversary.
Yes.
To all the wardens.
Yeah.
Hard-working wardens
Yes.
in the public of Fiji.
Right.
Thank you very much for keeping us alive.
Right.
Every time we go. The police inside, the police outside.
Yeah.
And especially for their game coming soon.
Right.
Yeah.
On
All
Friday.
the very best.
Yeah, fire versus warden.
Yeah.
This is for the one seal they playing for.
Yes.
Yeah.
And another seal is
Contesting, eh?
Schooner Bowl. No Schooner Bowl. The Combo Bowl.
Yeah.
The Combo Bowl against police outside.
Right.
Don't know
Kung
na.
say ito ba?
Don't know. Wiki mo na kada sa to siling ni kaloko 19 minutes to 8 o'clock na matakan ko.
Yes.
Non toy talo na matakan ko.
Yes.
Demeshi na buku go member ti master headmaster.
Right. Headmaster.
Yeah.
Master
Yeah.
was being they are born with Turanganikoro village
Headmaster.
headman.
Yes.
The village headman was been like a covenant bond.
Oh, Robi wa kanibina gesel
Iya.
ngai. Robi to kanibina ke
Right.
turang ni kor.
They
Right.
are very strong bond.
Right.
So whenever any
It's like
occasion,
they love each other.
yeah, like
Yes.
in another word.
In a
Yeah.
brotherly way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the brotherly way.
Yes.
So when they was there, everything that happening in school,
Yes.
headman will be there.
Okay.
Village headman.
Sandina.
Anything happen in occasion to the villages,
Yeah.
head teachers will be there.
Oi.
So whatever, and
Right.
they are both Ndawai.
Where
Oh, yeah,
head teacher
Sarauta.
where head teacher
They are.
turang ni kor
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
they both single.
Yeah.
Kini bila me bundi karya, lala insya yang boleh benaka lina bos,
Yeah.
arkes ragas boleh benaka, especially to Rosiningau. Oh, julum.
Yeah.
So whenever they met
Carry on,
each
carry on.
other, whenever
Right.
they met each other,
Yeah.
they go.
Right.
They do
Rodo
whatever.
Salvatunga.
Iya, Rodo Salvatunga.
Right.
So one day, there is a news. If anything happen in a village,
Yes.
who is the first one to know?
Turang ni
Koro.
kor.
Village headman.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there was a time during his coming, the teacher from the village,
Yes.
and another news was happening.
Oh,
Yeah.
And one fella came,
Yes.
he clapped.
Baka lomba may biturang ni
Iya,
kor.
bombo.
Iya.
He come, he clapped to the Turani.
Dari tuku-tuku.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, there's one news.
Yeah.
What happened, my son?
Ah.
No, one woman here is
Kelera.
is pregnant.
Oh my God.
Hey, who's?
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything?
Yay!
It's a head teacher.
Oh.
Your friend.
Your friend.
Yes,
your
your
head
friend,
teacher.
head
Hey, keep it. That's a smart, intelligent student.
Oh, lupa di buku.
Lupa di buku, Ngor.
Tumaro ya, lupa di buku.
Don't worry, lupa di buku. So, another time, when they come, another one pregnant.
Yeah.
The news
Oh.
come to
Maroon na
the
friend
village,
to ko kaya.
Oh.
village headman.
Yeah.
Maria.
Hey, Maria.
Yeah.
Maria is pregnant. Who's?
Yeah.
Who's?
Who's that one?
Are they?
Oh, they nona. It's a head teacher.
Head teacher.
Again?
Oh.
Again.
Again.
Don't
Again, head
worry,
teacher.
keep it that one.
Yeah.
Maroya.
That's a smart one.
Ah, smart watch.
Yeah, smart watch ko na taon.
Lupa di buku, lupa di buku.
Tumaro.
Tumaro ya, lupa di buku.
Yeah.
Another time they come.
Yeah.
Another one pregnant.
Oh.
Another
Sa.
pregnant ko sa pagkatosodak. Ando ng buningon.
Oh.
Oi. Kanto na uwambula sa.
Yes. After that, who's?
Naulitia.
Nalutia. Nalutia. Who's doing?
How's dia?
At yun ba ko? Apala ka na ulo na kunin.
Misawa suma eh.
Isawa suma.
Sa tumandua.
Head teacher.
Yeah.
Head teacher.
Head teacher. Hey, hindi umaro.
Yeah.
Lupa di buku.
Ngalubi ni Another time come.
Yes.
Sa bukan sa tao talamin kondo na bagrusul kondo na nakasaywo.
Oh.
Wan
Nagsitsimpul mo ka.
do na kangon niya lewa.
Yeah. Yeah.
And time like this, they said,
Yes.
and
Boy, sakit kalima ko.
Kana kalim. Isa to.
Okay, how old is the
Another
head
one.
teacher?
Coming.
You know head teacher.
Yes.
Every head teacher they receive.
45,
Yeah, they
yeah.
coming to the end. Like,
Coming to the end.
yeah, outing kasi. Yeah, and after that, as anniversary mo yung after that,
Aro ta bibina ka tunga mendaway.
who's student?
Yeah.
It's tamay sera. Sera what? Sera tamay sera.
Kasi kaya mga dirang kono sing suden bakro subul kan dua.
Ha? Who's?
Headmaster.
Headmaster, your friend. Who's friend?
Yeah.
Headmaster.
Yeah.
Oh! Hey!
Sa.
You change that one, Roy?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will all pregnant. Ato naman yung turan. Hey! Daw baka mo na tumatagori. Dalawa lang ang buka tikin.
Ay, lai, na bertal mo metal bituran niya.
Ang sarili ko, takasarap ko ka na ulo. Ang sarili ko.
to kira-kira ministry ni mo.
Binabalik po dyan sa mata kay
Right, Ram.
Pinot Patel. Thank you.
Paano ni pinakatalamir na year 13 is the Intricate Central College.
Isa, Donu.
Rosiningau.
End of the wall is coming. Lepan itang ita kimbaw Moroka.
Boa Central College, manu ni binata ni ya 13 todo kesara ni também tu ni bita rongi.
Iya.
Ani singa binaka ni kuah.
Leps tu tonga. Daun ro na puno ni uniang kona.
So
Ai sia teke.
Oros ini ngalo lam tiku mai biko.
Saro sini nga una dingo mo na mararo ya. Ano ni lolom. Iya, lepan tangi na kimbo moroka kure may ngau. Sa daung bulan. Pinabali we. Time and tide wait for no man. Think of us. Today is another day.
Yes.
All the best to all the students in the year 13 for their examination.
Right.
OT in the morning, office technology, biology in the afternoon.
BT.
BT is a birth certificate. John Kumar, MLN di Ratu,
Right.
Weti, Wais Ngoli. Isa.
Line boss.
Nume benseru en tambu betang baki ana resobu.
Arkias Ragas.
Arto bultingo nang gitu may chabani.
Right.
Iya detin arkes non exam. Dina boss
Alright.
pinabaliw. Another one here, bunin rala boy. Rasema
Right.
tuningo Australia. Lau brothers. Nemani kumbu, bulbenaka ile sa tawake. Sebatu ko ulang daung bula. All the best to the
Yes.
team Malolo and team Naitasiri
right.
for their final this
Saturday.
Saturday.
At the
They're
HFC
looking
Bank
forward to
Stadium.
history for the Malolo for their first time
Yes.
coming up to the final.
Yes.
Thank you very much to the management, team
Yes.
management. Taufa Amini, thank you. We love you all.
Naka.
We miss you. Today is another day. Hustle, struggling, family first, priority.
Family planning.
Family planning ko rapakan daro-daro. Emily Ndiratu Weti, thank you very much.
Yes.
Is
We love-
family planning good or no?
It's good for some time. It's hurting for our health. Emna Balaw Sara, thank you very much. Buki Miri.
Right.
Like hot set on the live. And italo ang baleti turang ang gasibuliw. Nasasanga ang baleti na bubali.